Given a soil sample with a specific gravity of 1.835, a water content of 20%, and specific gravity of soil grains 2.6. Specific gravity of soil grains. Ano yung dayamahan dito sa specific gravity of the soil sample? Ang specific gravity of the soil sample, yun yung mismong specific gravity ng soil. Included mo dyan yung volume of solids, weight of solids, weight of water, and weight of voids. Ang specific gravity of soil grains, that means the soil solids siya. Ang soil solids natin is JS, has 2.6. Different kalagay yung value niyan. Water content is 20%. Okay? So, kung meron kang specific gravity ng soil sample mismo, we can solve the moist unit weight from the soil. The unit weight of any object is specific gravity of the object times the unit weight of the water. Yan yung aking unit weight. So, ito yung gamit ng specific gravity of soil. Multiplyan mo yan ng unit weight ng water, then makukuha mo yung both unit weight ng soil, or that is the moist unit weight. Okay, so part 1, what is the void rates on the soil? Ang nagamit natin itong formula na to. Derived formula for moist unit weight. Moist or actual unit weight ng soil. That is that yung unknown dyan is just the void ratio. The unit weight of soil is 18, water content 0.2, specific gravity of soil solid is 0.6, then unit weight of the water is 9.81, kuha natin yung void ratio, 0.7. Porosity of the soil, mayroong formula relation yung porosity at void ratio. Ito yung relation ng dalawa. 0.7, 0.7, and set 0.41. What is the saturation of the soil or degree of saturation? Then we have this relation formula. SA is equals to omega GS. S yung unknown, void ratio is already solved, water content is 0.2, specific gravity of solid 2.6 ha. Again, hindi ito. Degree of saturation of the soil is equals to 74.3%.